If you are a beginner in Microsoft CRM Dynamics 365, then this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome to Solution Domain. This is Vikram here. Today in this video, we are going to see Microsoft Dynamics 365 trial setup. Check the description for website link. This website link is given in the description. Just click on it and you will be navigated to this page. Here we have so many categories. Under categories we have so many products like service, and these are the products. And we have other categories and products, but as of now we are going to concentrate on sales category, Dynamics 365 sales, and we are going to click on try for free. Here you need to enter a dummy email ID and click on start your free trial. You will get an error like please enter work account for the best trial experience, and you need to click on this setup a new account option. Here type the proper email ID and click on next button. Next click on setup account button. Here you need to type first name, middle name is optional, last name, your business phone number, company name and the company size, country or region, and finally click on the next button. For as of now I'm going to select 10 to 24. After 25 you have to pay the license. 10 to 24 is free. After 25 you need to pay license. I'm going to enter my details. Now I'm going to select my region and click on next button. Under tell us about yourself, you will get a verification code to your business phone number. Select the option text me and click on send verification code. A verification code will be sent to your mobile phone, business mobile phone. Just enter that verification code and click on verify button. Here you need to provide your domain name or business name and click on check availability button. See, mine is available and I'm going to click on next. Here you need to provide your username and the password. Type the password once and you need to confirm the password. Please write the password somewhere safe, and then you need to finally click on sign up button. Make sure you have written the password somewhere safe, and they will ask you more details, like we need a bit more information from you before you continue, like your address, city, state, pin code, postal code. You need to fill all these details. Once you fill, you need to click on save button. Next, here for registration number you need to enter a PAN number. Your tax ID, you need to enter your tax ID or PAN registration number. I'm going to enter my PAN number. I don't have tax ID, so I'm going to enter my PAN number. And then I'm going to click on save button. Next, here open Notepad and just copy this your username. And then click on get started. Click on get started button. It will take you to the Power Platform Admin Center. Here there is an environment which is created by system, but if you want to create your own environment, then you need to click on new button and just give a name to your environment. Click on next button. Here you need to select your language, currency, enable Dynamics 365 apps and click on Save button. See, you have created an environment, but it is still preparing. The state is still preparing. It is not yet ready. After some time, just click on refresh button, and now yes, your environment is ready now. Next, click on the environment name, your environment name. You just click on environment name. Here you need to copy your environment URL to the notepad. You need to save this data for future reference. After copying your environment URL, either you can click here open environment option, or you can just click on this environment URL to proceed further. Don't panic if you see this notification. You are not a member of this organization. You just need to click on this sign out button over here. Just click on sign out. Now you will be given with login username and password. Just type your username and password. Mine is it is already taken. It has automatically taken. If it is not automatically taken, you need to manually type this username and then you need to type the password. Next, click on sign in button. It is your choice. I'm going to select yes. You will be taken to Dynamics 365. Here under published apps, you need to select Dynamics 365 custom app. Click on it. And finally, you will be able to see your Dynamics 365 custom app dashboard. And this is how you set up Microsoft CRM Dynamics 365 trial instance. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, be safe and take care.